Capital Factory is fully buzzword compliant. We're an incubator, accelerator, co-working space, fund. We do all these things, and we're a new center of gravity for defense and government innovation, for government innovators that are trying to figure out how they can do things better and smarter and faster. And a major theme of that is how can they connect to the commercial world, to small businesses and startups.
There was a big push from the customer to incorporate more innovation and new technology to modernize our military. So we formed a small team and decided to start coming to the Capital Factory and learning what it was all about. This was the best possible place to meet startups, interact with them, see if they match with our programs.
Capital Factory has played an important part in kind of coalescing the Austin Technology Hub. Austin and Capital Factory really have this sense of trying to help everybody out, that we all rise together.
So I met Nanomics in 2021, the first time I came to the Capital Factory. They had set up a pitch from a couple companies, and Nanomics was one of them.
Nanomics is a small business here in Austin, Texas. We're about 45 people focusing on early stage technology development. So that ranges from optics to materials to chemistry. Work with Capital Factory. We came across people from Fast Labs at BAE who were interested in some of the technologies that we were developing at the time.
Right away, we were like, yes, we're interested in this company. We want to have more conversations with them.
Our customers are increasingly needing more capability in less time. BAE works large problems. We work big, complex systems with a lot of moving parts. With a partner like Nanomics, they can focus on those specific capabilities and work them really efficiently. It frees us up to devote our resources to managing the system as a whole.
Innovation comes from all different places, and some places are going to come from inside of BAE, but some things have to come from outside BAE. It really comes down to two interrelated things. The first is they can make decisions so quickly, that they can move so fast. And combined with that, because they're a small company, they can try anything. They can try all kinds of things. And that's their key advantage, is they can try things over and over again at very low risk.
So what's fun about Nanomics is every day is different. At any given time, we'll have between 12 and 20 programs running. Our technical staff all have at least 2 areas of expertise in general, so that we can rapidly switch between the different kind of programs we're working on or different areas of focus.
You walk through the lab facilities here and you feel like you're walking through a university lab. We're working with them to adapt technologies to an application, which is engineering, but they seem to extend beyond the boundaries of just engineering into what I would describe as more of like a university kind of research setting.
One of the things that's really interesting about this whole relationship between the government and startups and big companies is there's a lot of different politics and other things that get pushed down on us from above, and these influences around wanting the government to work more with small businesses and invest more in small businesses. And BAE just leaned in on all fronts from the beginning. They were some of the first partners to really find startups to work with, that they're really partnering with to bring solutions to market.
So I'd say the future is a strong partnership still with the Capital Factory, and the goal is to have many more startups and companies like Nanomics that we work with.
Working with a company like BAE gives us access to programs of a larger scale than we're able to approach by ourselves. So that's allowed us to grow out into larger areas.
At BAE Systems, our motto is we protect those who protect us. And how do we get there? By producing new, innovative technologies, by working with suppliers like Nanomics. We all have a part to play in delivering these new capabilities, but to me, the greatest reward is knowing that those technologies help protect the warfighter.